Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas centerpieces collections. Different decoration ideas for your houses. As you know that without decoration Merry Christmas is so incomplete. So I collect beautiful ideas for my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in these collections. 50 plus unique ideas that recreate and transfer your house beautiful and centerpieces, fresh centerpieces designed by my viewers. Beautiful idea, beautiful creativity. Fresh idea for fresh years. The designs look so attractive. I hope you enjoy my video, the most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. Please watch this video to end. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it. If you want to see more make decoration idea, then please visit my channel. And I give more ideas about how to create and how to transfer your house on the days of Merry Christmas. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the days of Merry Christmas 2025. I provide you simple decoration ideas for your houses. Centerpieces look so attractive. All the designs are very unique and trending. All over modern way to celebrate your functions 2025. I hope you love the designs. I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. They look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing. I hope you enjoy my video. If you new my YouTube channel, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. I hope you love the designs of creativity, beautiful ideas. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video till the end. Centerpieces look so attractive, so stylish and enhance the beauty of your table decorations. All the designs are very unique. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video till the end.